Good morning guys. Time check is 12:41. And magi-check lang tayo dito. It says today, April 28 by 7 p.m. Estimated delivery. And it's out for delivery daw. No, ano kaya it is? Check, unboxing. Meron tayong ano dito. Special delivery daw. Napanos na ni. Mag-unboxing tayo for the first time in history. Shout out guys. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Paano ba to? Pagsilipin ko na lang to. Beware, kaya I'm using the Chilio. Paano ba? Paano ba mahal? Lagi nang mahal. Ulit-ulitin ko sa dyan. Uy, nalaos na. Are you ready? Dyan. Uy, may plancher. Delivery. At atin nang huhugutin sa labas. Uy, flower. Flower for you. Okay. Mos lang no, mos. Just like flower, our friendship blossom unexpectedly. This symbolizes our purely relationship. Take care of this plant with love. Was we take care of our friendship. Happy birthday. Thank you. Message. Yeah, masama ni. Ay, may hangin siya. Ano ba to? Deliver. Jiran! Oh, my plants. Thank you. Tanaon. Tangtangon ba o hindi? Tangtangon na? Ayokong tangtangin yung ano. Ayokong tangtangin yung plastic kasi ang pretty. Pero I need to kasi water pa na siya, no? Right. Sharon. After that's good, right? Naman ang my box. So, what we get today is surprise! Masama na eh. What my message? Char. Ayan, thank you guys. Ang message, just like a flower, our friendship blooms unexpectedly. This symbolizes our purely relationship. Take care of this plant with love was we take care of our friendship. Happy birthday. And I thank you. Thank you guys. Lala. May pa-message si Mayora. Kamo na like magbasa. Clarex. Upside down. I-ano nyo na lang. I-post. Thank you sa nagbigay.